Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's check your activity ordinal numbers. Ja, Seite 27. So, in this chapter, we're going to learn to put things in order. When you put things in order with numbers, then you use ordinal numbers. Yeah, also first, second, third, fourth. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, so in English, ordinal numbers. Auf Deutsch, Ordinalzahlen. Yeah. Also, so here's what we're doing. Yeah, they want you to look at the dates and or places. Yeah, and they want you to match how it's written in numbers with how it's said. Yeah, and I gave you the first one. So let's look. Yeah, the first one goes with B. So look, Lenke hat am 7. Januar Geburtstag. Yeah, am 7. Januar. On the 7th Januar, January. Okay, that's how you do dates. There's no of. Yeah, you don't have to say 7th of January. It's just am 7. Januar. And it matches with B, and you're going, how is 7.1? Also 7. Januar, because the whole rest of the world, except for us, flips the days and the months. It goes from smallest to largest. So day, month, year. All right. We're the only ones that start with the day and then the month, or start with the month and then the day, like January 4. Yeah. Also, anyway, so 7.1 is January 7th. Yeah. Also, let's look at Nummer 2. Now try these yourself before you check them with me, okay? And you can scroll down and check too, but I want to go over them with you so you hear what they sound like. Nummer 2. Sebastian Vettel war 2011 in der Formel 1 auf dem ersten Platz. Ersten Platz, that's C. That one with a dot after it, you need to say ersten. Okay, you know how in English, yeah, we write the little one st for first, yeah, or like fourth, 4th, yeah, fourth. Also German lets you know that it's an ordinal number by putting a dot after it. So one with a dot is ersten, yeah, first. All right, Nummer 3. Wir fahren am 22. Mai nach Salzburg. 22. Mai. Also. Oh, I said it wrong. 21. Tut mir leid. 21. Mai. Yeah, also it's D. Yeah. 21. 21st of May. Yeah. Nummer 4. Am 5. August spielt Deutschland gegen Spanien. 5. August. Also, right there it is. A. 5. August. Okay. 5. Guten Morgen, lieber Hörer. Heute ist der 3. April. 3. April. 3.4. Ja. 3. April. Okay, Nummer 6. Habt ihr am 13. November Zeit? Am 13. November. Also, it's A. 13. November. Okay? All right. Important stuff to know here, guys. Yeah. I've told you all before, the chances that like you'll actually need to speak fluent German in your future career, not so great. The chances that you might have to work with people who were not born and raised in the U.S., a little bit better. Yeah, so know that the whole rest of the world does this day, month, year. Yeah, if you do any traveling or if you work with people who are not from the United States, yeah, you're going to find that this is the way they write their dates. Okay, good to know. All right. Yeah. Day first, then the month. Okay, you can scroll on down. There are the answers. Yeah, in case you need them. And then I wrote for you an explanation. Yeah, so let's look. So we know cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are used for counting. Yeah, these over here, scroll a little bit. These over here are your cardinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we already know those. You also need ordinal numbers, yeah, the numbers that put things in order. So this corresponds to German, first, second, third, fourth. And of course, there's a pattern for the most part. So I gave you an explanation up here. Yeah, the blue ones don't really follow the pattern, but the other ones do. So take a look. Erste, zweite, dritte, vierte, fünfte, sechste, siebte, achte, neunte, zehnte, elfte. Yeah, also can you tell what the pattern is? Yeah, for the most part, you're going to add a TE. Okay, just like in English, you would add th, like fourth, fifth, sixth. Yeah, also German adds a TE. Okay, the exceptions, just like in English, yeah, also you don't say the oneth. This is the 1th time I've told you this. 9. Erste, first. Yeah, erste, first. It kind of sounds the same. Zweite, yeah, also you do kind of say in German the tooth. Yeah, also the zweite, also instead of second. Also, and then dritte, third. Just like you don't say in English the threeth. That is the 3rd time we've gone over it. Yeah, 9. Dritte, third. Okay, so just like English, there are irregulars here at the beginning, first, second, third, but after that it gets very regular. The only weird things here in 7 or 8 is just like with siebzehn and siebzig, you clip it short. Yeah, so you don't say siebente, but siebte. And achte, you're just leaving out a T, because 2 T's in a row is too many. Okay, that's it. Add a TE, and that makes the th. Yeah. Also down here, once you get above the teens, yeah, or into the teens, yeah, you're going to still put the TE on the end until you get to the 20s, 30s, 40s, all those. Then you add STE. Yeah, so 19, zehnte, 19, 20, 20ste. Yeah, you add an S in there for everything above 20. All right. Now, if you're wondering what's over here, why do we have 2 columns? Well, if you use a date and you want to say on the whatever, then you just add an N at the end. Yeah. So 1st of May, 1. Mai. On the 1st of May, am 1. Mai. There's a reason. It's because it's dative case. Okay, and all the dative case adjectives end in N. But you don't have to know that. All you have to know is that if you use on the, then just add an N. If you forget it, people will still understand you, but it's supposed to be there. Okay, and then don't add the N if you're just saying as a subject, yeah, today's the 5th of May or whatever. Okie dokie. Toll. It does not matter how long your word is, how long your number word is. Yeah, you're going to add STE to the end of it. Yeah, if it's over 20, and always add an N if you're using in front of it. Okay, that's that. If you have questions, yeah, let me know. I hope you put that all in your notes, yeah, because you probably will get to use your notes on the test, and there is a section that's going to ask you to do this. Okay, write your notes as if you're explaining this to yourself. If you cannot explain this to yourself, then come and talk to me, yeah, because I'll get you set straight and make sure that you understand what you're doing. That's it, guys. Tschüss.